It's Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you pretty much how to hard reset any Android phone. So just go to the top right and go to power, and we can just completely power these phones off now. So I have my Samsung phone, and then here's my Motorola or my Google Pixel phone. And this is going to be very similar for my Motorola and Google Pixel. Now once the phone is turned off, the Samsung requires a little cable next to it. So we have to plug this cable in, connect it to our PC, and then plug it into our phone. So once we have it charging, we can press the power button and the volume up now, and just hold this down. So a lot of times it's the button when the phone is turned off, the button that's away from the power button. So you can see the volume down button is closer to the power button on this phone, and then on my other phone it's away from it. So if that makes any sense. So this isn't working. I'm going to let go and hold it down again. And now this phone should launch into the recovery screen. So just give it a little bit of time. Here it is. It's starting up. Now on my Google Pixel you can see the volume down button is away from the power button. And on this phone it's the opposite. So I'm going to hold down the power button and volume down when the phone is turned off, and I felt a little vibration. We're in the recovery screen now. Now we have to use the volume down key and go to recovery mode, press the power button. Now you're going to see no command. Hold down the power button, tap volume up, and now we have the same screen on here. Just going down to where it says wipe data, factory reset, tap this and go to factory reset. So we got two different Android phones here, and pretty much every Android phone is going to be similar to whatever we just did. So go ahead and just wipe the data, factory reset your phone, and you should be good to go. Now if you have to turn it off and hard to restart it to get in the screen, you can hold down the power button and then the volume key that's closest to the power button. So here it's power button volume up. On my Samsung phone is power button volume down. And then to get into the recovery mode, it's the opposite. It won't be volume down, it'll be volume up on this phone. And it's the opposite on this phone. It won't be volume up, it'll be volume down because it's further away from the power button. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.